Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at one of Cadillac's most stylish and technologically advanced sedans of the early 90s, the 1992 Cadillac Seville. This model marked a major turning point for Cadillac, combining American luxury with a touch of European sophistication. Let's dive in and see what made the 92 Seville a standout in its era. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1992 Seville introduced a bold, aerodynamic design that completely redefined Cadillac's image. Gone were the boxy lines of the 80s, instead, you had a sleek, rounded body that looked modern and upscale. The car featured a low, wide stance with a distinctive short deck, long hood profile that gave it a powerful and elegant presence on the road. The front end had Cadillac's signature vertical grille, crisp halogen headlamps, and smooth integrated bumpers that flowed cleanly into the body. Subtle chrome accents added just the right amount of luxury without being overdone. Around back, the high decklet and vertical taillights gave it that unmistakable Cadillac identity. Overall, the Seville looked both aerodynamic and refined, a car that could hold its own against European luxury sedans of the time. Interior. Moving to the interior, the 1992 Seville continued Cadillac's tradition of comfort and innovation. Step inside, and you're greeted with premium materials everywhere, soft leather seats, real wood trim, and a well-crafted dashboard that wrapped gently around the driver. The seats were wide, plush, and power-adjustable with heating options, offering that classic Cadillac comfort for long drives. The center console was driver-focused, featuring digital displays, easy-to-use climate controls, and an optional premium Bose sound system. You also had dual airbags, automatic climate control, and keyless entry, features that were considered high-tech in the early 90s. The Seville could seat 5 passengers comfortably, with excellent legroom and sound insulation that kept the cabin whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. Performance. Under the hood, performance was equally impressive for its class. The 1992 Seville came with a 4.9-liter V8 engine producing around 200 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. It was paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission that delivered effortless acceleration and refined cruising. Cadillac's engineers also fine-tuned the suspension for a balance between ride comfort and handling precision. With front-wheel drive and electronic ride control, the Seville felt confident and composed on the road. It could go from 0 to 60 in around 8 seconds, not bad for a luxury sedan of its time. The steering was light but precise, and the braking system was strong, making it a comfortable yet capable performer. In conclusion, the 1992 Cadillac Seville was more than just a luxury car, it was a statement. It represented Cadillac's shift toward a more global design language while maintaining that signature American comfort and presence. Stylish on the outside, plush on the inside, and powerful under the hood, the Seville was proof that Cadillac could evolve with the times without losing its identity. If you're a fan of early 90s luxury or just appreciate well-built classics, the 1992 Seville deserves a spot on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at a true American luxury icon, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car reviews, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Cadillac of all time.